Magandang araw sa inyo. Welcome back sa akin channel. Last na video ko, pinag-usapan natin is kung ano yung mga benefits ng pag-running. Tapos, paano yung pagsisimula tumakbo, yung intro to running. And also, paano mag-easy run. Ngayon naman, paano mag-warm up at mag-cool down. So ipapakita ko ngayon sa video ito is yung mga ginagawa kong pag-warm up at also yung mga ginagawa ko na pag-cool down after ng run. Okay? Alright, sa umpisa, ginagawa ko is niro-roll ko yung ankle ko slightly, gently, about 16 count each ankle. So, ayun yun, para malusin niya yung joint natin sa ankle side at saka para ma-warm up din siya. Alright? Okay. Okay, pangalawa naman, yung calves muscle naman. Gusto natin may stretch. So, ginagawa ko yung single leg calf raise. Yan. So, same count as previous. So, once you go to 8 counts, you go backwards down to 0. Okay? Alright. Alright, pangatlo naman, since tapos na tayo sa lower, yung feet natin, yung sa ankle at saka sa calf muscle, ngayon naman knee hug, single leg knee hug. So itataas natin yung ating tuhod hanggang sa may chest area natin, sa may stomach natin, and then hold it for about 8 seconds. And then repeat the same process 3 times. Each legs. Okay? Alright. Okay, tapos naman nun, leg swing. So mahanap ako na pwede ko mahawakan to balance myself. Tapos mag-leg swing ako. And okay, so each side of the leg. Okay? Alright, pagtapos ng front, back ng leg swing, I also do side to side each leg. Yeah. Okay, syempre iwa-warm up din natin yung shoulder, both sides. So here is a sample na ginagawa ko para ma-loosen up yung shoulder. So after nun, we're going to the last one that I normally do is yung butt kick. So it start slow, progressive siya yung speed. Yeah. Okay. Here's the sample. Alright guys, so ayun yung mga ginagawa kong pag warm up bago ako tumakbo. So ngayon I'm ready to run, and I'll show you my cool down stretching after the run. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, just finished our run, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do the cool down stretching. We walk a bit to go back here sa park. So alright, so isa sa mga ginagawa ko na stretching post run is side body stretch. Okay, about 16 counts each side. Alright. Alright, syempre when you run, nagagamit din yung ating calves muscle, so kailangan din natin siya i-stretch. So sinusunod ko sa na-stretch is yung calves naman. Alright. Next naman na ginagawa ko is yung cross leg, tapos bend forward. So ayun yung isa pa sa ginagawa ko na stretching. Alright, pagkatapos naman nung cross leg is nagsa-side lunges ako. Pero ino-hold ko siya na about 8 seconds each leg. At last na ginagawa ko is yung ino-hold natin yung leg natin, single leg curl. Tapos i-hold natin ng about 16 seconds. Alright guys, so ayun yung mga ginagawa natin, mga stretching before and also after our run. And I hope na may makuha kayo at may apply sa inyo. So at gawin natin to bawat run para iwas injury, para makapag-prevent ng injury sa bawat run. Okay? Ilalagay ko nga pala yung link ko dun sa yung previous videos ko. Just look at the description below. Alright? Andyan yung na-mention ko kanina noong umpisa. Andyan yung benefits ng pag-running, paano may apply natin sa lifestyle natin to, and also intro to running, okay, and paano mag easy run, yung conversational pace na zone 1 ka lang, zone 2 basta below yun ng threshold mo, okay. And now here is the warm-ups and cool down stretching na pwede nyong i-apply. If there's something that you'd like to talk about, or you want me to make a video of, or kung may mga katanungan kayo, just comment below. Alright, see you again next time.